So good afternoon all. I am Jayashree, Department of Biomedical Engineering. I am going to take Analog and Digital ICs. I am going to take the topic as multiplexers. As we all know that we know what is a multiplexer. We are hearing the many FM channels, right? We are receiving the many FM channels, right? But at the time we can able to hear only one channel, right? Similar to this is the main applications of this FM. The term multiplexer means many into one. Multiplexing is the process of transmitting a large number of information over a single line. A digital multiplexer is a combination circuit that selects one digital information from several sources and transmit the selected information on a single output line. Multiplexing is also called as a data selector. So mux directs one of the inputs to its output by using the control word to its select line. Multiplexer contains the following data inputs: select line, a single output. Select input determines the input, and multiplexer acts as an electronic circuit that selects one from many of the other resources. This is what the block diagram of multiplexer. The multiplexer contains 4 inputs, right? From input 0, 1, 2, 3. It has 4 inputs. It starts from 0 to 3, and it has 2 select lines, namely S0 and S1, and has only one output line. So out of this is what the main block diagram of this multiplexer. Here that is what S1 and S0 are the 2 select lines, and D0, D1, D2 are the data inputs. Y is nothing but the data output. Here this is what the implementation of 4:1 mux. Here let us see with the truth table. This is for the truth table, right? If it is 0, 0, if it is 0, 0, the output D0 is enabled, right? If it is 0, 1, the output D1 will come. If it is 1, 0, the output is D2. If it is 1, 1, D3 will come. If it is 0, 0, D0 will come. So let us see with this first case. If it is 0, 0, let us see with this C0. If it is 0, 0, you should know that S0 and S1. S0 and S1 pin are connected here as that is 0, 0. That is S0 0 and S1 0 is connected in the C0 pin. Next one is what? 0, 1. If it is 0, 1, what is the output will come? D1. Yes, you are right. D1 will come. So for getting the D1 as the output, you must have the input 0, 1. So here S1 is 0 and S0 is 1. Next one is what? D2. If you want to get the D2 as input, 1, 0. So here in the third case, if you want to get the output as D2, you get the input as S0 as 1 and the S1 as 0. Next one, C3. If it is 1, 1, that is if it is 1, 1, the output D3 will come, right? If both the inputs are selected, 1, 1. So here 1, 1 is selected, so the output is D3. So this is what the explanation of this. If S1 is 0, 0 is applied to the select line, the AND gates associated with D0 will have the 2 of its inputs, which is equal to 1, and third output is connected to D0. The other 3 AND gates have 0 to at least one of the 3 inputs, which makes their output equal to 0. Hence the overall output is equal to the D0. Next case. The value of the NAND gates are applied at the signal or signal gate to provide the signal output. The size of the multiplexer is specified by the number of input lines and the single output line. Multiplexer ICs have enabled input to control the demonstration of the unit. The enabled unit can also be used as a cascade 2 or more multiplexer ICs to construct the multiplexer with large number of inputs. The output of the AND gates is applied to the single OR gate to provide the single output. The size of the multiplexer is also specified by the number of gates. That is 2 power n. If it is 2 power n, where n inputs, for example, if it is 0, 2 power 1 is what? 2 inputs. If it is n equal to 4, it is 2 square, the output is 1, whereas input is 4. Right. Similarly, multiplexer ICs have enable input to control unit of the signal. The enable operation can also be used to enable 2 or more mux with multiplexer with large number of inputs. And this is what the truth table of the 4:1 multiplexer. If you want to select the particular inputs, you must give the particular inputs 0, 0. If you want to select the particular inputs, that is 0, 0, D dot will select. If you want to select the FM as the other channel, you must select the control signals. Like FM, as we are tuning the FM, right? Similar to this, it will happen. So thank you all. Have a nice day.